What if the secret to living a longer, healthier life was in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the time-tested cooking traditions of the Blue Zones, the places where people regularly live past 100. These regions have some of the healthiest, most delicious recipes on the planet. And I'll be sharing one with you that's as simple as it is life-changing. Stick around to learn how to make a wholesome dish that can boost your health and help you live your best, longest life. Blue zones like Okinawa, Japan, and Ikaria, Greece are famous for their nutrient-rich, plant-based diets. Their recipes emphasize fresh, whole foods that nourish the body and promote longevity. Today, we're heading to Okinawa for inspiration and making Okinawan sweet potato and turmeric stir-fry, a vibrant dish that combines flavor and health benefits in every bite. To prepare, start by peeling and slicing one medium Okinawan purple sweet potato into bite-sized cubes. These sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a powerhouse for heart health and longevity. In a large pan, heat a tablespoon of sesame oil, known for its nutty flavor and healthy fats. Toss in the sweet potato cubes and sauté until they begin to soften. Next, add finely chopped garlic and fresh ginger, both renowned in Okinawan cooking for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of turmeric powder, which adds a beautiful golden color and a wealth of anti-inflammatory benefits. Stir well to coat the sweet potatoes. To elevate the dish, throw in a handful of spinach and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari for umami flavor. Let the spinach wilt slightly and sprinkle in some sesame seeds for crunch and added nutrients. Serve this dish warm, either as a side or a light main meal, and savor the harmony of flavors and health benefits. Are you finding these Blue Zone cooking secrets helpful? If so, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends looking to improve their health, and hit that subscribe button for more recipes that promote longevity. Your support keeps this channel growing and helps us bring you even more life-changing content. And there you have it, a delicious Blue Zone-inspired recipe that can transform the way you think about healthy eating. By incorporating dishes like this into your daily routine, you're not just cooking for today, you're cooking for a longer, healthier future. What's your favorite longevity-inspired recipe? Let me know in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more secrets to living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's to cooking your way to 100 and beyond.